Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hi, my name is Samartha Chinsolkar and I am from Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune. My branch is Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, and me and my friends Pratik Ahir and Manish Gadave have performed a Python project under the activity of Project Based Learning, guided by Shravani ma'am. The title of our project is ATM Machine. An automated teller machine (ATM) is an electronic banking outlet that allows customers to complete basic transactions without the aid of a branch representative or teller. Anyone with a credit card or debit card can access cash at most ATMs. Features include check balance, withdraw cash, deposit cash, reset PIN, view changed PIN, as well as mobile recharge. We have used Python 3.8 to code our project. Now when I run the project, it will first ask me for my PIN, which is set to 1234 by default. Then the 7 options are displayed. First is checking balance, which is set to 5000 by default. Second is withdrawing cash. Now there is a limit to withdraw cash, which is 2000. If anything above that is entered, it will ask to enter the amount again. If an amount greater than the bank balance is entered, it will display a message that there are insufficient funds in the account, as you can see. Option 3 is depositing cash. You can enter any amount as you like and it will be updated in the balance. Fourth option is to reset the PIN, which can be reset to, for example, 2001. But in order to check the reset PIN, select option number 5. Option number 6 is mobile recharge. Enter your mobile number and then select your service provider. And then select your plan which is required. The plan will get activated successfully. Number 7 is exit and the code will end. In case the PIN is entered incorrectly 3 times, the card will get blocked. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.